Hello, third grade. We're getting ready to read Astro, the Stellar Sea Lion, and we are going to be having a reading job, and that job is to use information gained from illustrations, that is, the maps, photographs, and other things, and the words in a text to demonstrate an understanding of the text. You should be able to say where, when, why, and how key events occurred. The strategy we're going to use today to gather information is called the Why a Visual strategy. When you see a visual, such as a graph, a chart, a picture, a diagram, and so on the page, stop and think, what information is this visual giving me? Why is this information important in this section? Astro is not an ordinary sea lion. He is a stellar sea lion. He lost his mother when he was only a few days old. No one knows what happened to her. Luckily, a scientist spotted Astro, hungry and alone, on an island off the California coast. The young pup was brought to the Marine Mammal Center, a place that cares for sick, hurt, and stranded marine mammals. What I learned from the photographs is that Astro was taken to the Marine Mammal Center in a truck. He was put in a cage. It's important because I learned how the scientists got Astro to the Marine Mammal Center. I see what the California coast might look like as well in the photograph, and that there are other animals there too. Astro only weighed 39 pounds. His new friends mixed up a special smoothie made from ground herring, salmon oil, and whipping cream. Astro happily gulped it down as volunteers bottle fed him. When he gained weight, his friends attached the bottle to the fence of his pen so he could feed himself. So we just read the text, now look at the pictures. What more are you learning? Why did the author choose this picture to put on this page? Think about it. Tell me. By the time he was 10 months old, Astro was big enough to join the stellar sea lions in the wild where he belonged. A satellite tag was attached to Astro's back so the Marine Mammal Center would be able to track his travels in the ocean. His friends took him to the beach where he had been found and set him free in the surf. Astro paddled into the foam. Then a wave hit him. He didn't know what to do. He was scared and scooted out of the water onto the sand. Astro needed to go into the ocean, not up on the beach with the people. Would Astro be able to return to the wild? Was he so young when he was rescued that he attached to people instead of other sea lions? From the picture, I can see that 3 people from the Marine Mammal Center came to bring back Astro where he belonged. I see Astro looking at the marine mammal workers as if he doesn't want to go. I can see the cage they brought him in, and now I can see the exact place he was found and what it looks like. I'm able to tell you more details than what the author wrote because I looked closely at the picture. From the picture, I can see that 3 people from the Marine Mammal Center came to bring back Astro where he belonged. I see Astro looking at the marine mammal workers as if he doesn't want to go. I can see the cage they brought him in and now I can see the exact place he was found and what it looks like. I'm able to tell you more details than what the author wrote because I looked closely at the pictures. Time to type or write in your notebook. Question 1. What happened to Astro and who found him? Question 2. Who took care of Astro and how? Question 3. Explain what information that the reader can gain from the illustrations in the article. 4. Why did they want Astro to go back to the ocean when he could? 5. What are some things we can learn by following satellite-tagged animals? 6. Where do stellar sea lions live in the wild? 7. What did Astro do when they left him on the beach? 8. Why were the people worried about Astro?